Get your pair of earbuds and locate the wire where the controls and mic are. Remove the outer cover of the mic module. Once found, cut the wire after it leading to the earbud. This will be your mic. Grab a sponge and cut as shown. This will be your mic cover. It is used for noise cancellation up to some extent. Use a small clip to make it a clip-on microphone. I'm using an Audio Waves app to see if it works. You can see the sound waves when the mic is touched or tapped. Thus it works. Your DIY microphone is ready to use.